Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Shantina here. So today I want to talk to you a little bit about what I've been doing with my hair to retain that moisture, keep these curls popping, and bring some shine to my hair during these winter months. What is the secret, you say? Aloe vera juice and apple cider vinegar. If you want to know how I bring those two together to bring the shine, the moisture, and the curl pop, stay tuned. Alright, so apple cider vinegar is a cleansing agent for your hair. Okay, apple cider vinegar is so good for your hair. It opens up your hair shafts. It allows you to really get in there and remove the dirt and the debris that can get trapped inside of your hair shaft, all without stripping your hair like shampoo does. So it's very important for me that I try to cleanse my hair with apple cider vinegar at least twice a month. Do I ever use shampoo? Sometimes I will use shampoo, like when I'm doing a lot of gel styles and things like that, because sometimes you just want a clarifying shampoo. However, during the winter months, clarifying shampoos can really strip your hair, and apple cider vinegar is a good alternative for shampoo and cleansing your hair of all the debris and everything like that you have going on with your hair. The apple cider vinegar that I like to use is this one right here. You can use any apple cider vinegar, but I do like to use the Bragg's organic apple cider vinegar, and it is with the mother. I don't really care if it's with the mother or not. Like I said, you can get off-brand apple cider vinegar and it will work just as well. It's just that I like to use this brand. And anytime that you use apple cider vinegar, do realize that you're throwing the pH levels off. With those hair shafts lifted like that, your pH levels in your hair is off. So therefore you want to come in with another agent that will balance all of the pH levels out in your hair. And a good agent to use for that would be good old aloe vera juice. I use aloe vera juice as a spritzer, as a refresher, but most of all I like to use it to balance my hair out, balance the pH levels out in my hair after I use the apple cider vinegar. I also use it when I use a clarifying shampoo, because the clarifying shampoo does the same thing. It throws your pH levels off in your hair. However, it's not stripping your hair. However, it is stripping your hair, and you don't want to do that. So you want to have the apple cider vinegar, and then you want to follow it up with the aloe vera juice, which balances your hair pH levels back out, and it closes up your hair shafts, and it brings shine to your hair. And aloe vera juice also is a humectant, so it pulls moisture from the air in order to moisturize your hair. So those two agents together, bomb.com. So I like to do that at least twice a month. For sure I do it once a month, but I really like to get in there and do it twice a month. And then another thing that you want to do after you put the aloe vera juice is that you always want to go in with a deep conditioner. Now you can use any deep conditioner that you like, but in the winter months I definitely like to use conditioners that has a lot of moisturizing agents in it, just to bring the most maximum moisture that you can have in the winter time. Because you know, if you live like in the south or the north, anywhere on the east coast, you're going to have some frigid winters, and you know, you got to protect your hair. So with all that being said, again, apple cider vinegar, aloe vera juice, and any deep conditioner that you like. A few that I like to use is the Shea Moisture Strength and Restore Treatment Mask. Another one that I like to use is the As I Am Hydration Elation. That's another good one. another one, I just got the packet here, but you can get these little packets like at Target, like if you want to try a deep conditioner out and you're not sure how it's going to, you know, do on your hair, you can get these for like 99 cents. But this particular deep conditioner, the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask, this one brings a lot of moisture. It has honey in it, and everyone knows that honey is also a humectant, and it also shines the hair. So this is a really good deep conditioner. And another deep conditioner that I like to use, this one is kind of pricey, but it is the Main Choice Deep Strength and Restoring Treatment Mask. This one right here is starting to be my favorite. Okay, so I did do a demonstration for you guys as to how I use the apple cider vinegar and how I apply the aloe vera juice. And pretty much with the apple cider vinegar, I don't dilute it with water or anything like that. You can put the apple cider vinegar in a nozzle, in a container or a nozzle bottle like this, to make sure you're getting it on your scalp. And when you get it on your scalp, you want to penetrate it, you know, with your fingers and, you know, lift up the debris and everything like that. And then you also want to bring it down through your hair shaft, making sure that it's cleansing your hair all the way through. And what you would notice after you rinse it out, and you do not have to follow it up with a shampoo or anything like that, because that's defeating the purpose. Okay, you just want to use the apple cider vinegar. Trust me, it will cleanse your hair and your scalp. Okay, so once you get that all done, you want to go ahead and rinse the apple cider vinegar out. You will get a little apple cider vinegar pungent smell. I don't really care about that smell because I know what it's doing for my hair, and plus the deep conditioner that you're going to use is pretty much going to mask that smell. But after you rinse your hair out with water, warm water, you want to go in with the aloe vera juice, and what I do is put the aloe vera juice in a spray bottle, and I do put a little essential oil in there. And essential oil that I have in here now, which I pretty much use all the time, is peppermint. I use peppermint essential oil because peppermint, it stimulates the hair, it stimulates the scalp to promote hair growth. So, you know, just go ahead and just add some extra properties in there for some extra love on your hair. So what you're going to pretty much do is spritz this all over your head. I like to just put my hair in the sink and just spray this all over my hair. I try to spray the whole bottle into my hair, rinse that out, and before you know it, you would notice that your hair is reflecting the light pretty good. You start seeing like a little shine, as you can see in my hair here in the demonstration. I got a lot of shine. My hair is moisturized and my curls are popping. Trust and believe that apple cider vinegar, that aloe vera juice is a great combination that you want to use, especially in the winter time, but I use it all throughout the year. And you always want to follow it up with your deep conditioner. The deep conditioner that I chose to use today is the Main Choice conditioner. I'm not going to do a breakdown or a review on that because I'm going to do a review on this deep conditioner and how it has changed my hair, or well, my hair has changed and now my hair likes this particular product line. So definitely going to do a video about that. So again, you guys, I just wanted to pop in really quick and give you a quick update as to what I'm doing for the winter time to keep that moisture in my hair and to keep my hair shiny and to keep my curls defined and just popping. And these are the things that I'm doing. If you have any questions, any comments, even concerns that you may have about the apple cider vinegar or the aloe vera juice, send me a DM. You can check me out on Instagram at SimplyDivineCurls, or you can just leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer your questions that you may have about these two products working together. So as always, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. I can't do it without you guys. Let's make this year a great year. Right now I'm at 16,000 subscribers. I'm really trying to get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm hoping I can get it done before then, but you know, I'm not rushing it. I feel like this is not a sprint, it's a marathon. I'm not doing this to gain like revenue or money, which will be good, but I'm actually doing this for you guys and to document my own journey with my hair growth. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. Again, do not forget to subscribe, share, and thumbs up this video if you learned anything. And I will see you guys in my next video. But always remember to stay focused, keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. And until the next time, I will see you guys later. Have an awesome, awesome day.